Get out my business. Nani? Okay.
Speaking of that, you know Deontay, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, funny story how Deontay and Heero met. They met in Vegas. I was there for Deontay's birthday, and he's one of my closest friends. And then one of Hero's closest friends, just happened to have the same birthday as my boy. So we were all out there, man. We went to Cirque du Soleil. We went to Hash House a Go-Go. We went to the Link. Went to Cirque. Man, we had a good old time. Took that picture in the tub outside the Cirque du Soleil. Still one of the best times we had out. Best times we had out. I wish. Hey, listen, side note, don't ever go to Vegas with people with no money.
Well, damn. Tell us how you really feel.
Oh, man, nah, bro, man, listen. If you go to Vegas and you don't have a couple grand in your pocket, that's not the city for you. It really ain't. You can do it. You can go out there and fake it, halfway ball on a budget. You can get some bummy $80 a night hotel, but that's not Vegas for real. If your hotel don't cost 3 digits a night, you probably ain't staying. I was like, man, you probably ain't staying nowhere decent.
Eric out here hurt folks' feelings. I will say this though, Eric is right to an extent, and I will say this: if you're going out there to celebrate somebody else, just say you can't do it, bro. But by you going, don't bring down the level of fun. So like, me and Eric easily could spend $2,000 in Vegas, and that's just like okay. But like, I feel for the people that ballers on a budget, but. There are people who go and ball on a budget, but if you're going there for fun and like someone else's fun, then just be like, yo, I can't make it. I often tell people, you don't got to be everywhere everyone else is. Like the shit that you could have saved up for Vegas, man. A trip to Denver would have been super nice. A trip to Houston would have been super nice. Like.
Not to Houston. I mean, you gotta go to Austin if you're gonna go. I mean, there's at least stuff to do like the
Eric's
week.
throwing shade at Houston.
I mean, listen, Houston's a city. Bless his heart. It's got its ups and downs. I don't like. Shout out to Twisted Ticks. I don't want to drive in Houston, but if I want to go eat, if I want to go to a kickback, that's the city you go to. It's so many like little duck offs in Houston, man.
Right,
man, well. I don't know. So anyway,